Say hi, beautiful.
This knife is more sharper than the other one, huh? Ooh, feels good.
Yep. Real good. That knife Azucena is using there is the Cold Steel Spartan. One of our favorites. We use that for all sorts of tasks. Even as you can see right now, we're using it for food prep. It's perfect. It's just a perfect for all sorts of different things. You can use it for chopping, for slicing. Good God, my legs are hot. Ouch!
You are hot.
Hey, you know what I think is hot? You are freaking hot. Where are we? In the wilderness, right? There's a yellow post, so in California how it is, you can only camp with a campfire at certain places, right? It's legal that way. So you gotta have a yellow post. We are out in the wilderness. We're not like at a campsite. I want to stress that. Like, this is at the end of a dirt road. We're miles out in the middle of nowhere. There's actually a few other people around though. They off-roaded out here. They took their 4x4 vehicles. But this yellow post camp, we have set up camp. I think it's gonna rain. We're cooking. See this? Doesn't that look good? See the onions? You smell them. The onions smell good. Mmm. That's what I'm talking about. Camping food. Bye.